So my room, apartment, and everything is it's a fucking mess. It's a mess. So you guys are gonna clean with me. I don't even know where to start, okay? For one, I'm redecorating my place. So I have a bunch of shit that I should do a haul on. Idea. No, deadass. I should do a haul on all the stuff that I bought to redecorate my place. Damn, I just don't feel like it, but I'm probably going to. That's a good idea. Okay, so excuse my background, it's not really nothing. It's a mess. So I'm gonna go by stores just because it's easier. I went to Ross, Big Lots, Walmart, and that's it. And I realized that Big Lots is going to be my place to be. I might go back there tomorrow. Today I went right before they were closing, so I didn't really get to look, but I did purchase some things. But I'm definitely going to go back and purchase even more stuff. So I'm going to start off with the first. Oh, and Walgreens, you guys. I found some things at Walgreens. I'm going to start off with Walgreens. Okay, guys. So one of the projects that I'm working on sprucing up in my house is my patio area. So tomorrow I have, Tomorrow I have the gardener coming, and he is going to do a lot of cleanup for me. And then we're going to discuss whether I want rocks put down or if I want fake grass put down. Yes, I live in an apartment. I live in a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, just so that we're clear about that. And I have a patio area that is a mess. I've lived here for 5 years. I've never done anything to that patio, you guys. There's trash out there. There's furniture out there. It's a fucking mess. So the gardener's going to come out here and clean it up for me. And I'm excited about that. I cannot wait for him to do that. He's charging me $100, so that's not that bad. So I wanted to decorate my patio because I actually want to use it. I want to have parties and barbecue. Only got a few things for the patio. I don't plan on putting much out there. I know I'm gonna put some furniture out there, probably like 2 chairs and a little table just to sip some wine or something. But one thing I got, well, kind of like 2 things, are these garden lights. So I got these lights to hang up on my fence. So let me show you. They're bright lights, so they're not like the yellow tone. I am so excited to put these up. I always like when people, even in their houses or wherever, if they have lights around like their fences, that just looks so cute to me. So I wanted to do that in my apartment. So I got some lights. These are from Walgreens. Probably buy one, get one 50% off is why I have 2 of them. But yeah, this is for my patio. Also from Walgreens, I got a few more things. I got these 2 mugs. So they're like, metal mugs or whatever. I don't know if I'm gonna actually use these because I don't know if I want this for decoration or if I want to actually use them. I most likely will use them. It's only me in this house. But sometimes this can like make your water or drinks taste like metal. So I'll wash it before, but we'll see. The next thing I got was another shower curtain shower curtain liner. I like mine just in clear because I do put another shower curtain over, which you guys will see. I just want to go over some quick things that I got from Amazon. I forgot, but I got some bright lights from Amazon. So these are their Lux Light, but they're just like, the white lights to make my apartment more so cool toned. As you guys see, it's kind of like yellow tone, like the yellow typical whatever. I want cool tone lights because let me explain why I'm doing all this. Doing all of this because I'm feeling overwhelmed and like I have anxiety in here, and I just need to like clean up and get rid of stuff, and I feel like that will help if I have like cool tone lights. I feel like the yellow lights, I really feel like it has to do with that, and just like in general I need to calm my house down. Nothing like happened here or anything. I'm just like want to come home to like a zen place. So that's what I'm trying to make it more zen. Anyways, Big Lots, I went there today. So I got this. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I got this new planter. It's going to be for that plant over there. Just because I hate how that one looks and it's brown and all that. So I got this one. I'm going to put it in here. I don't know if I want to actually replant it in here. like take it out of the thing, or if I'm just gonna drop the brown planter in here. It's like, I don't know what will be easier, but that's like really heavy, and I think it's more so for outside, but mine is gonna be inside. I also got these 2 pillows, decorative pillows, that I'm gonna put on my couch. I also got this one because I'm gonna remove the ones that I have on there now. This one says home. Also got this pot from there because, okay, when my pots get dirty, bitch, I don't like looking at them no more. So, mind y'all, I'm not a cleaner upper, I'm a thrower awayer. So, once that thing gets, like, I don't like to look at it, period. This, it is a picture frame, but it's not like a frame, which I love. This is the new style where it's like clips and you just clip the pictures on there. So I am so happy about that. I really like that. I have another one like that from Ross that I'll show you guys in a minute. I have this container because I want to put cotton swabs in it, and this is for my bathroom. I want to put cotton swabs in it. I have cotton swabs, but they're pink, so I wanted the white ones. And then I just have some candles because y'all know y'all don't know. But sorry for shaking. I love candles, so I smelled the fresh linen one, and this don't smell like your typical fresh linen. So that's why I got that one, because I know fresh linen can just smell like fresh linen, but whew, that thing smells fresh, like, and that's what I love. So I got the little sprays too. And then I also got the scent Lilac Blossom. So, and then, oh yes, you know what? This isn't for my Q-tips. I have something for my Q-tips. This is for my Epsom salt. I saw this girl on YouTube. If I know her name, I'll put it. I most likely won't remember. But she does a lot of home decor, and she put her Epsom salt in here as like a display. So that was pretty cool to me. That was pretty cute. Like I said, I'm trying to be zenful, and I feel like for some reason having Epsom salt on my counters will make me feel real zen. I don't know, but we're gonna try. We're gonna see. So that's what I got from Big Lots. Okay, so for Ross, quick story time. I went to Walmart first to get some curtain rods. The curtain rod I was gonna get for one was $40. I got 2 of the same goddamn curtain rods that look like this. It's a glass, it's pretty cute, for $21. Like I said, I was gonna pay $40 for one of these at Walmart. So, like I said, I found 2 of them. They are very cute. This is for my bedroom and my living room for $20 at Ross. I got it at Ross. Boom. Gotcha.
Gotcha.
Okay, anyways. The next thing I got is just this little reminder that I'm a boss babe. I don't know. Then, like I said, I did get a new shower curtain and stuff. I'm not even looking in. I got a new shower curtain and stuff. So with that, I got some new shower hooks. So they just look like this. So they're just, you know, stylish or whatever. And then I got 2. I'm real close, huh? I want a lot of plants, but I don't want to take care of them. So this one is real. My mama got me that one like years ago, and it's still alive. So that's the only one I want though. But these are fake, but they look really real. They're really cute. Well, they don't look real at all, actually, but they're cute. They're like this gray marbleized pattern. They were, oh my god, I'm not even telling y'all prices of nothing. I'm gonna start from here. These are $9.99. Oh my. Okay, another story time. At Walmart, I was gonna get, what are these? Curtain bays. A pack of 1 was $20. 1 bay was $20. I was gonna grab 2. Because that's the normal thing. So I was gonna spend $40. Baby, I got 4. for $20. Shout out to Ross. Shout out to Ross. Shout out to Ross. It's just for the decoration. So it's just for decoration. But yeah, they're all the same. So it's 4 of them. Like I said, I'm gonna put 2 in my living room, 2 in my bedroom. The next thing I got from Ross are decoration towels, also for my bathroom. So I think I already went and bought my bathroom stuff and then went to Ross, because now all the rest of the stuff is for my bathroom. I got this for my bathroom, and it just says be kind, daring, creative, funny, pop. It says a lot of stuff on it. So I'm just gonna hang that up in my bathroom. Okay. I also have a beauty room. So my bedrooms are set up that I have one. If you follow me on Instagram, you should follow me on Instagram because you already know this. I have one bedroom. Well, I have 2 bedrooms, but I turned one into like a closet beauty room. Of course, typical and basic, yeah. So I have this. What does this say? Be fearless in the pursuit of whatever. I can't read. This is what it says. I can read. Okay. But this is what it says. It's really cute. And it's actually a whiteboard. So, shout out to Ross. I don't want to say how much all this stuff was. But it's Ross, so it's cheap, you know? Last but not least, I went to Walmart. So, let's start with the biggest item I got from Walmart, which is my comforter set. I don't know if you guys are... I don't know if you guys are going to be actually able to see this. Let's step back. Ooh. 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 Ooh, oh, okay. It's on the side, but this shit's... I got a king size because I got a queen size bed, so you know you always want to go up because you want to be more comfortable. This is what it looks like. It's just gray. My bed is gray, so I usually look for stuff that are like my bed colors. Because when you have a gray bed, honestly, it's just hard to find comforters and stuff. Harder to find comforters and stuff when your bed is gray. I never realized that, but it is. So I actually, it's a bed gray set, but bed gray set. I need to go to sleep. It's a gray bed set, but it's more like silver. And then I saw that the picture had navy blue stuff, like navy blue like pillows and like the sheets and stuff. And I already had navy blue decoration pillows, so I was already onto that. Anyways, I'm annoying. Oh god, why everything's getting so heavy? Navy blue, basic. Oh my god. I got navy blue cotton sheets or whatever and pillowcases. I also got this. This is what my bathroom shower curtain thing looks like. So that's what my theme was. You guys can't really see it, but it's like gray, white, brown. So that's on my bathroom color. If y'all don't know, now you know. Get your towels from Walmart. Drop again, bitch. I'm gonna beat your ass. Get your towels from Walmart. I have to get a new trash can for my bathroom if I'm switching shit up. So I got that. It's just a little, you hear me? It's one of those. This little gray. I'm going really fast, huh? It's 'cause my knees are on fire. I got gray little toilet seat cover. This little gray bath mat. Some more bath mats. It's literally just bath mats, so I'm not going to take them out because they're really big. This is what I got for my cotton swabs. It even has it in here. So that's what I was talking about when I said that, when I mentioned Epsom salt, it was really cotton swabs. I mean, it was really this container that I was talking about. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. Okay. Now the rest of my like bathroom set decor shit. Is it broke? Okay. Because I was gonna go back to it's broke. Okay. It looks like this. So I wanted to give like hotel vibes. So that's that. What I was talking about is the new trend. It's like these clips to put your stuff on. This might go into my beauty room though, but it just says grateful, thankful, and blessed on it. But yeah, that might go into my beauty room instead of like my living room and stuff because it's white. And I wasn't even thinking about that when I bought it. It's like off-white, so I really don't know where to fucking put but it's really cute. So I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, but give me a thumbs up and give me a good old subscribe and comment what you want to see next. Okay guys, I'm off my knees. They fucking hurt. Hey y'all, I'm back. I forgot something because it wasn't in its fucking place. Oh, why are these so heavy? So this is the original planter pot thing that I got for that plant, but it was too big to just throw in there, so I would have had to like depot it and literally like plant it again, and I'm not doing all that. So I went out and bought another one, but I don't know what to do with that, so I might buy another plant just smaller and put it in there. I'm not sure. Let me know what I should do with that, because y'all be doing like DIYs and stuff, so just let me know what I should do with it. Bye.